Hello students, we were doing our chapter parameter and area, and in this part we will do parameter and area of a circle. So firstly, circle. A closed figure in a plane in which all the points on the boundary are equidistant from a fixed point. The fixed point inside a circle is called the center of the circle, and center is denoted by O. Center is generally denoted by O. This is a circle and this is center of this circle. A line segment joining the center of a circle to any point on the circle is called its radius, and radius is generally denoted by small r. In this figure, OA, OC and OD are radii of this circle. Okay, so OA equals to OC is equals to OD, that is equals to r. These are radii of this circle. A line segment passing through the center CD of a circle with its endpoints lying on the circle is called diameter of the circle. In generally, diameter is denoted by D. So D diameter, in this figure diameter is CD, and OC is a radius and OD is also a radius. So students, and CD is diameter. So diameter is always double of the radius. Okay, so diameter is equals to 2 into radius. So D is equals to 2r. Okay, now circumference of a circle. The perimeter of a circle is called its circumference and is denoted by C. The perimeter of a circle is called its circumference and is denoted by C. And circumference is equals of a circle is equals to 2 pi r. Circumference of a circle is equals to 2 pi r, where value of pi is 22.7 or 3.14. Okay, and r is radius. Pi is equals to 22 upon 7 or 3.14. We can take value of pi is equals to 22 upon 7 and we can take 3.14 also. Now C is equals to 2 pi r and C is equals to pi into 2r. We can write pi into 2r. Okay, and we know that 2r is equals to D, that is equals to diameter. So C is equals to pi into D. So C is equals to pi into diameter. Okay, this is in the form of diameter and this is in the form of radius. C is equals to 2 pi into radius. If diameter is given, then we can find its circumference pi into diameter, and if radius is given, then we can find circumference of a circle by this formula. C is equals to 2 pi r. Now example number 1. Find the circumference of the circle whose radius is 21 centimeter. Radius of a circle is given 21 centimeter and we have to find its circumference. So students, we know that circumference is equals to 2 pi r. So r is equals to 21 centimeter, this is given, and value of pi is 22 upon 7. Now we will put these values in this formula. So C is equals to 2 into 22 upon 7 into 21, and that is equals to 2 into 22 into 21 upon 7. When we solve this, we get our answer 132 centimeter. This is circumference of this circle. And when diameter is given, then we will use our formula pi into D. Okay. In your first question of exercise 15.3, diameters of a circle are given. Then we have to find its circumference. So you have to use this formula pi into diameter. Pi is equals to 22 upon 7 and diameters are given in this question of different circles. Now example number 2. Find the radius of a circle whose circumference is 15.4 centimeter. This is example of question number 2. Find the radius. We have to find radius of a circle whose circumference is given 15.4 centimeter. C is equals to 15.4 centimeter, and we know that formula of circumference is equals to 2 pi r, where pi is equals to 22 upon 7. C is equals to 15.4 is equals to 2 into 22 upon 7 into R. Okay, we put our values in this formula. C is equals to 15.4 to pi 22 upon 7 into R. Now we have to find value of R. Then we will do transpose all these values. Okay, so R is equals to 15.4 into 7 upon 2 into 22. Okay, so firstly we will remove this decimal, then we get 154 into 7 upon 2 into 22 into 10. When we solve this, then we get R is equals to 49 upon 20 and that is equals to 2.45 centimeter. Okay students, because 154 is divided by 22 7 times, then we get radius is equals to 2.45 centimeter. Now area of a circle. Circumference of a circle is equals to 2 pi r and area of a circle is equals to pi r square. Okay students, this is formula of area of a circle, pi r square, where r is radius and pi is equals to 22 upon 7 or 3.14. So example number 3. Find the area of a circle whose diameter is 20 centimeter. We have to find area of a circle whose diameter is given. So firstly we have to find value of radius. If diameter is 20 centimeter, then diameter is double of radius and radius is half of diameter. So radius is diameter upon 2 and that is equals to 20 upon 2, which is equals to 10 centimeter. So radius of this circle is equals to 10 centimeter. Now we will find area of this circle, that is equals to pi r square. Pi is equals to 22 upon 7 into 10 square. Okay, so 22 upon 7 into 100, which is equals to 314.28 centimeter square. So this is area of the circle, 314.28 centimeter by this formula pi r square. Now our next example is the circumference of a circle is 88 centimeter. Find the area of the circle. Formula of area of circle is pi r square. So firstly we have to find value of r. It means value of radius. And in this question circumference of a circle is given 88 centimeter. So we will find our radius from this. Circumference is 88 centimeter and circumference is equals to 2 pi r, which is given 88 centimeter. So 2 into 22 upon 7 into r is equals to 88. So r is equals to 88 upon 7 into 7 upon 2 into 22, which is equals to 14. Okay, because 88 is divided by 22 4 times. So 4 into 7 upon 2, that is equals to 14. Now r is equals to 14 centimeter. Now area of a circle is pi r square. So pi is equals to 22 upon 7 into 14 square. And that is equals to 22 upon 7 into 14 into 14. 14 is divided by 7 2 times. So 22 into 2 into 14, which is equals to 616 centimeter square. So area of this circle is 616 centimeter square. Now area between two concentric circles. Firstly, what is concentric circles? Circles having the same centers are called concentric circles. These are two circles whose centers are same. So area between these two circles has been shaded. So we have to find area of this shaded region, and that is equals to area of this circle minus area of this circle. So radius of bigger circle is r and radius of smaller circle is given small r. Okay, so area of outer circle is equals to pi capital R square and area of inner circle is equals to pi small r square. So area of shaded region equals to area of outer circle minus area of inner circle. Area of outer circle is pi r square and area of inner circle is pi small r square. Okay, so A is equals to pi capital R square minus pi small r square. A is equals to pi r square minus capital R square minus r square. So A is equals to pi a square minus b square, that is equals to a plus b into a minus b. So pi is equals to capital R minus small r multiply by capital R plus small r. Okay students, this is the formula of area between two concentric circles. A cow, for example, this is question number 8 of your exercise. A cow is tied with a rope in the center of a circular lawn of diameter 28 centimeter. If the length of the rope is 7 centimeter, find the area of the lawn which the cow can graze. Also find the remaining area of the lawn. Students, this is a circular lawn. Okay, this is a circular lawn whose diameter is given 28 centimeter. It means its radius will be 14 centimeter. Capital R is equals to 28 upon 2, that is equals to 14 centimeter, and a cow is tied here, and length of rope of the cow is 7 centimeter. It means the cow can graze this area. Okay, so we have to find the area of the lawn which the cow can graze. So we have to find this area and also find the remaining area of the lawn. So this is remaining of the area of the lawn which the cow cannot graze. So length of rope from which the cow is tied. Length of rope from which the cow is tied. It means area of this is radius of inner circle. This is equals to 7 centimeter. Okay, capital R is 14 centimeter and small r is 7 centimeter. So the cow can graze this area. So the area of the lawn which the cow can graze, that is equals to pi small r square. So pi is equals to 22 upon 7 and small r is 7. So 22 upon 7 into 7 into 7. 7 is cancelled by this 7. So 22 upon into 7, that is equals to 154 centimeter. Now this is the area which the cow can graze. Now area of the whole lawn, that is equals to pi capital R square. 22 upon 7 into 14 into 14, because radius of the whole lawn is 14 centimeter, and that is equals to 660 centimeter square. So remaining area of the lawn, this is remaining area of the lawn, shaded area, which is equals to pi capital R square minus pi small r square. So pi capital R square, area of whole lawn is equals to 616 minus area of inner circle, that is equals to 154. So 616 minus 154 centimeter square, and which is equals to 462 centimeter square. So students, these are some questions of your exercise 15.3. Now you have to solve your exercise 15.3, and if you face any problem in any question, then you can ask me.